is literally days away. We're super excited. Now, on the Matsuura stand, you've got a lot to show us, haven't you?
We have, and obviously, you know, the Murata MT100 with the high-speed servo unloader, which is new, will be launched at the MACH show.
So this is turning, but you've also got some other launches too, haven't you?
We've obviously got the MX420 PC10 and the MAM7252V PC15. So a lot of automation going on our stand.
Right, make sure you're visiting the Matsuura stand, and it's in Hall 20, but also MTD&C have got a live event happening on your stand where you and the team are going to be talking about all the launches on Tuesday morning. So is there anything else on the stand we're going to see?
We're also going to be printing metal on our new desktop metal printer, so come and have a look at that as well.
Absolutely, can't wait to see you, and can't wait to see you at MACH.